Lem's theorem. Lem's theorem is one of the most important theorem in vectors. This theorem enables students to solve number of numerical problems, and I would love to discuss this problem with you here on the board. Lem's theorem. If we have three vectors and these vectors, vector A opposite to A place angle alpha, vector B opposite to B place angle beta, vector C then place angle gamma. Remember students, always take the positive angle, and this is positive angle between vector A and vector B, that is 180 minus gamma. And same way students, here you will be taking the positive angle and here you will be taking the positive angle, that is 180 minus beta, and it is 180 minus gamma. Now you have a triangle PQR. Vector A is represented by PQ, vector B is represented by QR, and vector C is represented by PR. Now vector A plus vector B plus vector C, that is equal to 0. This is a property of the vector from triangle law, because A when is added to B, it is going to give you a resultant vector C which is taken in opposite order. So we have A plus B plus C equal to 0. Now A cross A cross B, A cross C equal to A cross 0. Remember students, you will not change the order. You will keep A, then A, then A, then A in the first position. You cannot write A cross A plus B cross A. Then the sense of direction will change. A cross A, collinear vector, resultant is 0. A cross B plus A cross C equal to 0. This implies A cross B plus A cross C equals to 0. This further implies A cross B equal to minus A cross C. This further implies A cross B is equal to C cross A. Similarly, B cross C is equal to A cross B. Similarly, C cross A equal to B cross C. Just see, there is a cycle. After A there is B, after B there is C, after B there is C, after C there is A. Same way, C, A, B, then A, B, C. This order should be maintained. Now A cross B equal to C cross A, and A cross B equal to B cross A, and B cross C equals to C cross A. So from this we find A cross B equal to B cross C equal to C cross A. You know the property of the sign product. A cross B, AB, what's the angle between A and B? 180 minus gamma. I've told you have to take positive angle. B and C, the angle is 180 minus alpha. So this is BC sine 180 minus alpha, which is further equal to, between angle C and A, the angle is, between vector C and A, the angle is 180 minus beta. Therefore, it is AB sine 180 minus gamma sine gamma, BC sine 180 minus alpha sine alpha, CA sine 180 minus beta sine beta. You will find, dividing both sides by ABC, you will find A upon sine alpha, B upon sine beta, C upon sine gamma. This is a famous Lamis theorem which is very important so far as the concern of application of vectors. You can apply this result in number of applied numerical concepts. You can apply this concept in number of multiple objective questions and to solve the questions in shortest time. Thank you. Infinity is a relative term. This is a concept which is based upon study of comparison. When we compare something with another object, that is called a study of comparison. Generally, it is misconception that infinity is not defined. It is not so. Infinity is defined. But when we compare it with, suppose when we say 1 millimeter, for 1 millimeter, 1,000 kilometer is a very large magnitude of distance. We say 1,000 kilometer is infinity in comparison with 1 millimeter. However, 1 millimeter is not negligible. If we compare 1 millimeter with 10 to minus 15 meter, then 1 millimeter is infinity. Infinity is a relative term. Infinity, when we define, we say it is endless. Of course, it is endless when we compare 1 millimeter with 10 to minus 15 meter. 1 millimeter is endless for 10 to minus 15 meter. 1,000 kilometer is endless for 1 millimeter. Now, generally it is told that if we divide, suppose certain value, say A, by 0, we get means for when you divide A with 0, you get infinity, or you will get A upon infinity equal to 0. Suppose you are living in a colony and your mass is 60 kilogram and mass of the colony population is 60,000 kilogram. So when you divide 60, I should say 6 lakh kilogram, when you divide 60 by 6 into 10 to raise power 5, you will get nearly equal to 0. It means 6 into 10 to raise power 5 is infinity for 60 kilogram. Similarly, 6 into 10 to raise power 5 is the mass of the colony, and 6 into 10 to raise power 12 is the mass of the city, that is equal to nearly 0. It means for 6 into 10 to raise power 5, 6 into 10 to raise power 12 is infinity. So from here, students, we say infinity is a relative term. It means if we divide something which is very small by very, very large magnitude value, we get answer nearly equal to 0. Then we say that very, very large value is called infinity. So infinity is a relative term. Even a straight line is an arc of a circle of infinite radius. For example, if your living on earth. Earth is spherical, assumed to be a spherical of a radius r, but your floor is a plane line, like that is a straight line, like it means your floor, if is of 3 meter or 4 meter length, then 4 meter length is very small as compared to 6400 kilometer radius of earth. We will say radius of earth is infinity as compared to the length of the floor. Our quiz question is, infinity is A, relative term, B, not defined, C, meaningless, D, very small value. You have to type your name, your right option, your ace, and send to us on our mobile number 9814121996.
So friends, hope you have some learning moments with Vipin sir. So see you in the next episode at same channel, same time. Thank you very much.